The Move tool relocates an element to a new location without changing its orientation or size. So let's jump back into MicroStation, where we are going to continue to work with existing elements by moving them into the correct location relative to the floor plan. Continuing in the proposed restaurant DGN file, let's zoom into the area where the restrooms are located near column D4. In an earlier task, we placed circles that would represent a wheelchair turnaround. With the restroom fixtures and partition walls now in place, we need to verify and show that the design is compliant. From the Manipulate group of the Home tab, we'll select the Move tool. Move relocates an element to a new location without changing its orientation or size. We're going to select one of the circles here. After identifying the element to be moved, enter a second data point to define its new location. The data point used to identify the element is the base point by which the element will be moved. Careful selection of this point combined with the tentative snap will facilitate precise element location. Furthermore, use Accudraw in conjunction with the Move tool for precise element relocation. A final reset releases the element. And then we'll repeat this for the second restroom. So with that task finished, we'll now navigate the view to where the lounge seating cell is currently located, near column D7. In an earlier task, we rotated the lounge seating cell. We will now move this cell onto the floor plan into the waiting area. When relocating this, we will need to be more precise with the movement. The backing of the chairs need to be 150 millimeters from any wall. So, with the Move tool active, we'll snap to the chair in the upper right, along the back side, right corner. From here, we'll press the O on the keyboard. This will set the Accudraw Origin at this snap point. Remember, in the MicroStation Connect edition, Accudraw always has focus rather than in previous editions of MicroStation where you needed to manually shift focus to run Accudraw Shortcuts prior to working with the tool. So we'll confirm that Accudraw is in the rectangular coordinates mode. If not, press the M key to toggle from polar to rectangular mode. We'll move the cursor in the upward direction and then hit the Enter key. This activates the Smart Lock Accudraw shortcut. From the status bar, we'll set the active snap mode to key point. We'll then perform a tentative snap, that is, pressing the left and right mouse button simultaneously on the left corner along the back side of the same chair as shown. This will give you the horizontal and vertical intersection point from the two rear corners of the chair. We'll accept this now with a data point. After accepting the intersection point, we are prompted to define distance and direction. Here, we will snap to the lower left corner of column D7, but do not issue a data point here. When snapped, rather, we'll press the O to set the origin. We'll then move the cursor to the left and key in 150 millimeters on the x-axis. Next, we'll bring the cursor downward in the y-axis and key in 150. Here, we'll issue a data point to place the furniture. And with that will finish the task of positioning the lounge seating. During this lesson, you learned how to move elements while applying precision placement via Accudraw.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.